What's up, YouTube? This is episode 53 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail. Baseball, football, basketball, wrestling, celebrities, all kinds of stuff. We got, maybe 30 returns? I don't know. This all came today. So, we did get a package from a friend of ours. I took off his label so we wouldn't see his thing, but almost you guys know him as Michael Myers. We made a trade. Had an Ed Meter 68 card that he wanted, and I said, Dad, just throw me something you think I might need. You're fortunate I am sending this to you. I typically do not send people with P.O. boxes. I had Rex Kern wouldn't sign an autograph for me because I sent it to a P.O. box. That's funny. Thanks for the meter card. You're doing such a magnificent job with your TTMs. It's almost impossible to send you a card you might not have. Take care, and best wishes, best wishes 2001, your friend Michael. Awesome. Well, he did a good job sending me some TTM fuel, because Dwight Stevenson's a guy I don't have any cards of. I think I've only sent him one card in the past 3 months, because that's all I've had. So that's awesome. Ernest Biner, I worked with him a few months ago. He's a cool guy. Nice. Randy Cross, I've actually been wanting to send to him. I haven't sent to him yet. I just didn't have very many cards of him. So, yeah, that's great, man. Look at that. Awesome. He knows I like the food issue. This is a Wonder Bread card. Awesome, man. You hit the nail on the head right there, man. That's exactly what I wanted. You couldn't pick a better card. That's beautiful, man. I appreciate it. Like I said, that goes in well. I didn't have that card. Tom Mack's another guy I don't have a lot of cards of, so I haven't sent him many things. I think I have maybe one autograph in my collection right now. Maybe. But awesome, man. Thanks, Michael. I appreciate it. All right, what is this? Oh, this is here's a funny story. This came like this. It wasn't sealed, so luckily my cards are still in here. But when I saw a buddy of mine got him back today, and it was signed, really nice. But I sent a card signed by Harold Jackson already, and a couple of these to Roy Jefferson, and he just sent them back. I don't know if he just didn't want to sign them, or he just mistakenly. I'm guessing they mistakenly got put in a pile to send out, and he just forgot to sign them. But we're going to send those out, and we'll find out. So if they get returned again and unsigned, we'll know he just doesn't want to sign them. Here's 7 for 7 in 93 days. This is the longest return I've ever had. Oh, there we go. Dennis Rasmussen. This is a 87 opening day Donruss card. I like those. Oh, there's with the Reds. All right. 88 score. 87 Fleer. 91 Fleer. That looks really good. 90 Donruss. Brandon Stebbins is putting that set together. 90 score. And a 92 upper deck. I just like these opening day cards. 6 for 6 in 96 days. Wow, we got some old ones today. Ah, cool. Kirk Dressendorf. I liked him back in the day. Too bad Van Poppel doesn't sign anymore. He used to sign when I quit doing TTM a long time ago. 91 Fleer. 91 upper deck. 92 Donruss. There's one of the winner's gold cards from 92 Tops. 92 upper deck. Nice. I don't know. I better hurry up because we've got a lot of things to get through here. 2 for 2 in 39 days. Cookie Rojas. I thought I sent him 3 cards. I think he kept one of them. But I like this 66. 4 for 4, 29 days. Chuck Hartenstein. Is it Steinerstein? 77 tops, 68 tops, and a 70 tops. That's nice. 4 for 4 in 26 days. This is one of my favorite players growing up. Rick Upchurch, he was good. 79 tops, 78 tops, 78, or 79 to 78. Cool, got some doubles. Got that one. 3 for 3 in 27 days. Awesome. Matt Robinson. Look at that. Nice. There's an 81 Tops, 84 USFL, and 85 USFL. I love the USFL, so that's going on top. 2 for 2 in 20 days. This was a $5 fee. It was 2 cards for $5, I believe. It's $5 or $6, somewhere in there. Got an 84 card for the set, tops, and an 84 Fleer card. Not sure why I got that one done, just because I thought it was a cool card, I guess. Or it's the only one I could find, maybe, at the time. 4 for 4 in 20 days. Hank Williams Jr. I think I have all the Hanks out of this set signed now. That was the goal. And now I have a deck of playing cards I'm going to try to get signed by him. They're all like him in the set. 5 for 5 in 20 days. Bob Shirley, 87 Fleer, 81 Donruss, 82 tops for the set, 84 tops for the set, and 81 tops. Nice. Let me go with this 84. 4 for 4 in 20 days. Don Buford, I always liked him. There's a 65 tops, 70 tops. That's a beautiful looking card. I love that one too. 71. And there's a rookie card. Nice. I'm going to have to go to 71 tops. Wow. It's 5 for 5 in 21 days. Nolan, nice. 1970 tops. 71 tops. Hostess card. Got to have the Hostess. 68 tops. And a 72 tops. Beautiful. Beautiful cards. We're going to go with this one. We always have to have a train coming. 6 for 6 in 20 days. I swear I have the noisiest office in the world. Here's Fred Kendall. This is Jason Kendall's dad. I've gotten Jason Kendall in person before. I used to like him. He was a good ball player. His dad was a pretty good ball player too. Here's a 75 tops. 74 tops. 73 tops, kind of smudged a little bit, but that's all right. 77 or 78 tops or 77. I'm getting confused now. And a 75 tops mini and an 80 tops. I always like the minis. 5 for 5 in 20 days. Wayne Cossey. 62 tops, 68 tops, 64 tops, 65 tops, and a 69 tops. Thought we was gonna get his whole player issues card all at once there for a minute. I always like that 64 design. That's a cool looking card. 3 for 3 in 13 days. I mean, literally my office is like 30 feet away from the train. Here's Chuck Estrada. Nice. 64 tops. Oh, look at these 60 tops. These are nice. These rookie cards. Wow. Those are awesome. Awesome cards. 6 for 6 in 12 days. Oh, here's one of my favorite. I love this guy's autograph. Ted Gianolis, the San Diego Chicken. Thank you, or your very kind words are appreciated. Good luck on your collection. Best regards. Look at that. He's got the best handwriting. So I'm not sure what year those are, but there's a triple play card. I think that's an 84 Donruss card and an 83 Donruss card. He actually sells some 8x10s on his website, and I'm going to order one of every one of his 8x10s too. His 8x10s are only $6 on eBay. But like I said, the chicken meant a lot to me. I mean, when I grew up watching the baseball bunch and all those guys, I it was Johnny Bench and the San Diego Chicken on there. I mean, I was just a big fan of the chicken. So, like I said, that means a lot to me. I love the chicken. 2 for 2 in 12 days. Wayne Granger, 72 tops, and 69 tops. Look at that. That's a beautiful card. Awesome. This cost me $20. It was 5 for 5 in 12 days. Paid $20 for everything in here. Look at that. Jim Otto. First time I think I've ever got back from Jim Otto. Hey, look at that. We got another Wonder Bread card. Michael knew I was going to get a Wonder Bread card today. That's awesome. 70, I don't know what year this is, 75 or 73, I don't know. It looks like a 71, but it's a Wonder Bread, so it's newer. There's a 70 tops. Beautiful. I don't know what year that is. 64, I don't know. 7, I don't know. It's freaking awesome though. And another 71 tops. Nice. I'm gonna go for this one for the win, just because I love that design. I think that's might be the only one I have so far. That it's an older tops. Oh yeah, and we got the autograph photo. That he was signing some autographs for me. Actually, probably some index cards. It looks like at the Pro Football Hall of Fame. I think that was at the airport actually, because I see the luggage thing in the back. So that was probably at the airport in Canton or something. 2 for 2 in 12 days. Oh, whoa. We got another. Oh, my photo got bent up though. That's me getting Bob Lilly's autograph at the Hall of Fame. Bob Lilly, Cowboys, Hall of Fame, 1981 it looks like maybe. And then here's the, come on. These things are nice to protect the cards, but they're hard to get out sometimes, these card savers. Look at that. 69 tops. Beautiful. I love those cards for the set there. 1 for 1 in 12 days. What is this? Oh, this is another nice one. Ah, it's smudged a little bit. That's all right. Eddie Robinson. He's 100 years old. This is 1955 Bowman. I paid $5 for him to sign this. Awesome. I think I already have one, but I accidentally ordered 2, so I was like, I'd rather have it signed than unsigned. 2 for 2 in 12 days. Camilo Pascal. These were $5 a piece. Well worth it. Look at that. He smacked those. Awesome. 57 and 58 tops. Nice. Roy Girola. Girola. He was the kicker for those Super Bowl Steelers. I love that Oilers card though. 4 for 4 in 12 days. Nice. I've got Paul Flatley before, but I found these Philadelphia cards that I've never had, and I had to have him sign those. Those are awesome. I don't know what years those are, but those are great. And a 70 and a 69 and a 67 Philadelphia. Nice. Wow. 2 for 2 in 12 days. I'm just so happy. Oh, and I love USFL cards. Robin Earl. Nice. Oh, here we go. Last one. Number 25. 3 for 3 in 12 days. We got 25 autographs today. Wow. Lucius Allen. I saw Michael Myers get one of these back, and I never tried them before, so I ordered a couple cards. He couldn't read my writing, so he put it 2L. That's all right. Cool. And he answered a letter. I asked him who was his favorite player growing up. He said, my idol was Oscar Robertson. They called him the Big O. I was Little O when growing up in Kansas City, Kansas. Awesome. I like to know, that's one thing I always like to know, you know, who did you guys idolize? You know, we look up to you. Who did you look up to? You know? So that's awesome. I want to thank everybody that signed. And I want to thank Michael Myers. Check out his channel. I mean, I'm sure you probably already have. He's been in it for a while. He's the one that got me started. I was watching his videos, and I said, man, I'd like to get back into doing that, because I did it for a long time. I did it 20 years ago, really hardcore. I want to thank, like I said, thank everybody for watching the videos. It really means a lot to me. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit the all button if you're going to subscribe. That way you get to see all my videos, because I have massive hauls every single day. So, thanks guys. I appreciate it. Peace.